In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Gmail. If you've ever needed to send a message again without rewriting everything from scratch, Gmail makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it by opening an existing email and forwarding it to the recipient you want. This is a quick and practical method, especially if you want to resend the same content with minimal effort. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you're on your inbox page. This is where all of your incoming messages are listed, and it's the starting point for finding the email you want to resend. Take a moment to scan through your messages and locate the email you want to use. Once you've found it, click on that email to open it. You can choose any message you want to resend. Opening the message lets you access more actions related to that specific email, including the option we'll use in the next step. With the email open, look for the three-dot menu, which is often labeled as More Options or More Settings. Click on those three dots to open the full list of actions available for the message. This menu includes several tools, but for this task, you'll be looking for the forwarding option. From the menu, click Forward. Gmail will create a new outgoing message that includes the content of the original email. This is the easiest way to resend an email because it saves time and keeps the original information in place. Depending on the email, you may also see the original subject line carried over, usually with a forwarding label added automatically. Now, in the recipient field, enter the email address of the person you want to send it to. Double-check the address before sending, especially if you're resending something important. If needed, you can also review the body of the forwarded message before sending it, just to make sure everything looks correct and appropriate for the new recipient. Once everything is ready, click Send. Gmail will then deliver the forwarded email just like any other message. And that's it. That's how to resend an email in Gmail using the Forward option. It's a fast and reliable solution when you need to send the same message again without starting over. If you're doing this often, it's a good habit to quickly review the forwarded content so you don't accidentally include anything outdated or unnecessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you.